I showed this one a couple times throughout the videos throughout the course, so I thought I'd just show you the money made on this one. So I did 218 sales. That resulted in $2,248, and my ad spend was $1,600 right here. So that looks like it's about $600 profit. That wasn't too bad. You can see the ad I had here. I did web clicks. Looks like I had a lot of ads. Wow. Don't remember doing all those ads. Let's check out this one here. The one that was running last. It's probably the most successful one. 16 or 1,400 web clicks there. 62 checkouts. So that one did have a lot of checkouts. Targeting United States, Canada, 25 and older, male, Chicago Blackhawks. And that one did pretty good. A lot of likes, a lot of comments. So you can see I did a lot of different ones here. That one was the best converting one for click-through rate. So this one was just female. So the click-through rate, that one was this was the best one here. Let's check that one out. 45 to max. Doesn't look like I got anything out of that. No web clicks out of that one. All sending to the same ad, looks like it. A dark post. Let's see which one had the most reach. This one here. Optimize CPM. Going to the same ad again. Pretty simple stuff, like really short ad copy. Click here to get yours. 16 and older. This must have been maybe the first one I ran. But it looks like all I was doing is playing around with different ages and female or male. And all the interests are basically the same and using all the same image. So that one looks like it was a little bit of a fight to get in the profit there. But at the end of it, as long as you have more money coming out than going in, you're making profit. So I just want to quickly show that campaign since I talked about it in the videos.